So thanks for coming back and checking out another one of my videos, and today I'm going to be trying to open a Euro cylinder lock 6-pin that was sent to me from Matt at Matt's Lock Pit YouTube channel, and he sent me a few bits and pieces, and if you've seen any of my earlier videos you'll see that I've raked this one, but I've not had a go at actually picking it yet, so let's see how we get on. I'm just going to be using one of my normal Chinese picks as normal. Not sure if you can see that, but basically this was a cheap Chinese style pick that I've used, that I filed down, wet and dried, made it nice and thin, and just your bog standard Z wrench. So I'm not sure if you can see that from there. Let's see how we get on. So no tension. I'm just going to find the back of the keyway. Have a feel for the pins. We'll see what we got. Okay. And then let's get started. So I'm going to go really light tension, and then just see how we go. If you want any useful hints, tips and advice, I would always recommend checking out the UK LP Facebook group. Great bunch of people on there, and lots of YouTube channels that I'm a subscriber of. Bosnian Bill, Lock Noob, Helpful Lock Picker, obviously Matt's Lock Pit, loads. And if you check out Helpful Lock Picker, he does a YouTube channel of the week where he promotes other lock picking channels. There's some really good ones on there, and there was one in particular that stuck with me in my mind. That was the one recently by Chris Ahern. And yeah, that guy, really good. If I could get half as good as some of you people on here, I'd be chuffed with myself. But obviously, I've only been doing it, what, I think 5 months now, 6 months. And I haven't even touched dimple locks yet. And partly because I haven't even got a set of dimple lock picks yet. If anyone wants to donate any, I'll be grateful. Who else deserves a mention? Andy Mack, obviously. Most of you that are watching this have heard of Andy Mack. And some of the others might have bought his lever lock tools or padlock tools. A really great guy. Does some great videos. I'm not getting much joy out of this at the moment. Let's try a different tension wrench. God, I'm not sure if you can hear my stomach rumbling. This is a tough one, Matt. I don't know if you've done anything to this or if it's bog standard or what. But yeah, definitely not finding this one easy. I'd say there's definitely got to be some deep set pins at the back, with some high ones at the front. So I'm oversetting, I would say. Not that I'm an expert, so you know. I'm going to try a different type of pick. I'm going to try one of the cheap Chinese Gosso knockoffs, and again with this one I've filed it, I've sanded it, I've wet and dried it, and made it a lot more usable than what it was to begin with. And this time I'm going to go for a windscreen wiper tension wrench, and this is inspired from Matt's lock pit as well. If you check out his YouTube channel, you can see how to make them and where to get the wipers from for free. Now going light tension. And don't be afraid when you are practicing, you know, if something's not working, change it, try something different. Give it a bit more tension. There we go. So it's definitely something to do with those rear pins, but no, opened. Thanks a lot for that, Matt. I really appreciate it, and yeah, keep posting those great videos because you're teaching me a lot, and yeah, I'm really thankful for that. It's a great hobby. And don't forget, if you do like my videos, to subscribe, share it, and you know, the more followers and the more subscribers, the better. It is great to see that people are watching my videos, and maybe actually more newbies are actually learning something as well.